this enough, Papa?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
You have to blow it. You forgot, didn't you?
But you didn't blow it.
You could blow it. You forgot to blow it. Oh, it's okay, Kelly. What's wrong?
He's spilled.
Miguel, careful.
I did.
Okay.
I can't.
What?
I have to wash my hands.
Okay. Just look
Then
at.
you should have been more careful. Just like I need to change my pants.
You can't change your pants now.
Why?
You don't have any.
I know. Y'all shouldn't have did that.
Miguel shouldn't have done that. You're right.
I need to change my shirt.
Why?
It's just wet.
That's not wet.